should have believed you, Steph.
I screwed up the order. Ngayon patay na si Julia. It's my fault.
Guys, look. What happened was traumatic and awful. But it's not anybody's fault.
It's my fault.
Mom, it's not your fault.
It is my fault. Stephanie, nagkamali ka lang sa order kasi meron ako sekreto na hindi niya pa nalalaman. Hindi, anak ni Howard, si Eric.
I'm sorry, what are you talking about?
Stephanie, hindi ako naniwala sa'yo. Kaya hindi ko sinabi agad. Ngayon patay na si Julia. Pasensya ka na, Eric. Nagkaroon lang kami ng alita ng papa mo doon. Pero Howard loves you so much. Eric, please.
Who's my real dad?
Jared Fenbury.
Oh, Jared Fenbury?
Yes. Eric, let me explain.
No.
Eric,
Jared fucking Fenbury?
Eric.
God, where's this guy always wanted to play catch?
Eric.
So, if it's going in the right order, then ako na yung susunod. Diba? Kailangan mo kong tulungan, Steph.
Bobby, I don't think I can. Parang hindi
Ate,
ko
kaya mo. Okay? You predicted it, diba?
What do you mean predicted?
She predicted it. Like, nakita niya kung paano nangyari. Diba, ate, nakita mo yung tree trimmer, tapos yung blower, tapos yung soccer ball.
Charlie.
Para siyang puzzle na kailangan mo pagdugtog-tugtungin.
Is that true?
Darlene, please. Do not encourage this.
Please, huwag mong takutin yung mga bata.
Marty.
I mean, in Iris' book, it's like an equation. It's like a math.
Stephanie, if you can see how all of this fits together, we might have a chance.
Stop! Alam mo, sinira mo yung pamilyang to simula nang umalis ka. Okay kami nung wala ka. Kaya I'm begging you not to traumatize our kids anymore.
It's real this time.
I'm going for a walk.
I appreciate that our family needs some counseling in the future, but can we focus na tayong lahat ay mamamatay? I mean, di ba, Steph, Iris said in the book that, you know, someone who cheated that or something?
Yeah. Wait. Andito yan. Wait lang. It says here, JP found someone who survived.
Wait a minute, I know that name. My mom used to write me letters, and she sometimes would talk about a friend of hers named JB who worked at a hospital. Something River Hospital, Deep River, Peace River Hospital, Clear.
Hope River?
That's it.
Okay, sige. Pupuntahan ko siya.
Wait lang, Steph. Ikaw lang mag-isa?
Well, I'm coming with you.
Teka lang. Sasama din ako. Teka lang. What?
Bobby, di ka pwedeng sumama sa amin. Dapat manatili ka lang
Yeah,
dito.
fuck that. No, I'm not staying here just by myself. I read Granny's book. There are thousands house-related deaths na pwede ka mamatay dito sa bahay. Mulog ka sa stairs. Pwedeng mabagsak yung ulo mo sa inidoro. No way, I'm not staying here. Steph, please.
Okay.
Ay.